Inflation can be a tricky thing to navigate, especially if you're trying to safeguard your wealth. But did you know that there are certain sectors that can actually benefit from inflation? Understanding these can give you an edge in protecting your assets during uncertain economic times, and it's important to know where to place your money. Before diving into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next few weeks, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free guide on gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are using them to secure their retirement funds in these turbulent times. You'll want to take a look at that, especially if you've got $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings. So, which sectors actually stand to benefit from inflation? Let's dive in. First up, energy companies. With inflation comes higher prices for goods and services, and one of the biggest contributors to that is the price of oil and gas. Energy companies, especially those focused on oil, natural gas, and renewable energy, often see profits increase when energy prices rise. As a retiree looking to make your savings work for you, this is a sector to watch. But if you're looking for a safer, more stable option, a gold IRA continues to be one of the best choices to secure your wealth long term. It can help you hedge against inflation in a way that energy stocks just can't match. Next, we have real estate. Inflation tends to push property values up, and those owning real estate or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can see a substantial increase in the value of their holdings. As housing prices rise, so do rents, which can be a great way to generate passive income. However, when inflation rises, the value of cash decreases, and maintaining cash-heavy investments could leave you exposed. That's where a gold IRA is a smart move, offering stability while your other investments may become volatile. Moving on to precious metals, like gold and silver. These are often seen as a safe haven during times of inflation. The value of precious metals tends to increase when the purchasing power of the dollar declines. In fact, many investors flock to gold in particular because it has a long-standing reputation as a reliable store of value during economic uncertainty. This is where a gold IRA really shines. It not only helps protect your wealth from inflation, but also offers you tax benefits that are hard to beat. If you're holding significant wealth in traditional investments, switching to a gold IRA could be one of the smartest moves you can make. Another sector that does well during inflation is consumer staples. These are the goods that people need no matter the economic conditions, things like food, toiletries, and healthcare. Companies that produce these goods usually see stable demand and can often pass on higher costs to consumers, which means their profits remain strong even as inflation increases. However, while consumer staples are a good option, they don't offer the same level of security and growth potential that why gold IRAs can provide, especially in times of financial uncertainty. Finally, let's talk about all banks and financial institutions. While it may seem counterintuitive, inflation can actually benefit banks. As the cost of borrowing rises, banks can charge higher interest rates on loans, which increases their profits. But if you want to ensure your wealth is growing safely and securely, you should consider diversifying with a Haas Gold IRA. Unlike traditional investments in stocks and bonds, a gold IRA offers stability that financial institutions can't match in times of inflationary pressure. Now remember, while these sectors might benefit from inflation, none of them offer the long-term security and protection that a gold IRA can provide. If you're serious about safeguarding your wealth, especially if you've got more than $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, it's time to act. Check out the first link in the description to get your free guide and see how a gold IRA can protect your wealth for the future. Inflation is inevitable, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can ensure that your wealth not only survives, but thrives. Take action now and secure your financial future today.